Hello YouTube, this is Rofendo coming at you from the When Ya Fly Away YouTube channel. Today I'll be playing Bult Hunting Simulator, and what I'm planning to do with this game is run a short experiment where I look into if the decoy patterns that we use in this game really do matter. So I'll get more into that later on in the video, but I hope you enjoy and feel free to give me any feedback. So back to the gameplay here. I'm set up in Freedom Blues Lake. I have a V formation or a U formation in front of me with the ducks landing into the wind. Now theoretically this should mean that the ducks do fly into the wind to land in the middle of the spread, but I don't know if it's just that that's not always realistic or if the devs just haven't fully coded it out, but that doesn't always happen. And you'll see that in the video where we will get some ducks decoying in, but they don't always react how we think they're going to. Trying to find out where they are here, using the camera tricks to see in the water. I can hear some more fly over me. Finally see him here. So now I'm just trying to pick my shot carefully. So we get one, and I'm not sure where the other one even went. They kind of just disappeared. But so again, we're over in Freedom Blues Lake. I started at 1800. Took the boat over from close to the cabin over here, and that's how I set up the decoys in the middle of the lake there. So the experiment that I'm trying to run here, I have a master's degree that's based in research, and I'm kind of gonna tap into that hopefully, and we'll see if I wasted my money or not. But so what I'll pop up on the screen now is a screenshot of the spreadsheet that I'm working with that shows the details of the hunt, which decoy formation I used, and the results of that hunt. So far, this is only my third hunt, and I don't think I'll be posting every single hunt that I do, mainly because I still work a full-time job and I just can't dedicate that much time to this. But really just want to get a few hunts out there and to be able to show you guys some fun moments that I get in the game. Spotted this crow way out in front of me, and honestly did not expect to be shot, but that's a dead crow. So we cut here. I just heard some birds around me. I'm trying to see where they are. So at this point they land, and I honestly have no clue where they are. I couldn't exactly tell through my headphones where they were, but finally got to see at least one through the reeds, and I just had to check to make sure there weren't actually any behind me. There weren't. But yeah, I find one through the reeds and decide I'm just going to try and take this guy out. So I'll slowly start making my way over there. This is a little tip for you guys. If you're in the reeds and you just mash the W button really quickly, you're not going to make the sound that would alert the birds when you're usually walking in the reeds. So I finally see this guy, take the shot. And I hear some more. And here's another long shot that I did not think I would hit, but we end up wounding him and make our way out there to go get him. Now I think I searched for a good 5 or 10 minutes or so, but after a lot of patience, I finally see him down there to finish him off. And now we'll start the montage of picking up all the bits we got today. We finished this hunt right around 2200. So a good mix of Widgeon and Shovelers, and now I want to show you guys where we're at as far as the experiments go. So we're at 3 hunts now in total. What was that? 21 birds in total, which is pretty good. I think we're averaging right around 7 birds a hunt in 3 hours. I mean, that's a limit in real life for a lot of people. So these are the decoy strategies we have. So with the wind in a U, with the wind in a V, with the wind in a J, against the wind U, against the wind V, against the wind J, and then random close and random open. So far, random open has been the most surprising to me because I really stuck with the U and J's, those decoy strategies. So this really surprised me in the way that, one, I first discovered this when I was thinking a lot of these YouTubers I watch that duck hunt in real life, they usually just put their decoys out. However, what's more important to them is that the ducks can see them from afar and they can call them in. So that's where I started with this. That was my initial question to ask, was that what do the devs think is most important for these ducks? Is it how they're actually positioned? Is it that the weather and the decoys you use make the most sense? However it is, that's what this series will hope to find out. So that is all I have for this one. If you guys have any suggestions at all, feel free to let me know in the comments, but I appreciate you sticking around.